In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check estimated delivery times before placing an order. When you're shopping online, one of the most helpful things to know before you buy is when your items are likely to arrive. Delivery timing can vary depending on where the product is being shipped from, so in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to check that information in a simple and reliable way. To begin, add the items you want to purchase to your shopping cart. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected the correct product options, such as size, color, quantity, or any other variations that apply. This is important because shipping times can sometimes differ depending on the exact version of the item you choose. Once your desired items are in the cart, go ahead and click Proceed to Checkout. You do not need to complete the purchase just to review shipping timing. This step is simply where the platform will usually show you the estimated arrival windows for the products in your order. As you move into checkout, pay close attention to the delivery details shown for each item, especially if your cart includes products from different sellers or locations. For standard items that ship from overseas fulfillment centers, you should generally expect an estimated delivery time of around 5 to 9 business days. Keep in mind that business days usually do not include weekends or holidays, so the total calendar time may be a little longer. If you're ordering several items at once, some products may also arrive separately depending on their shipping origin. If you need your order sooner, look for products marked with the local warehouse badge. This label is especially useful because it indicates that the item is stored closer to your delivery address, which usually means faster shipping. In most cases, items with the local warehouse badge arrive within 2 to 6 business days. As a helpful tip, if delivery speed matters to you, it's a good idea to check for that badge before adding the product to your cart. That can save time and help you avoid surprises during checkout. It's also smart to compare items that look similar, since one version may ship overseas while another may be available locally. That's all you need to do. Add your items to the cart, click Proceed to Checkout, and review the estimated arrival window. If you want faster delivery, choose products with the local warehouse badge whenever possible. Following these steps will help you shop more confidently and choose the shipping option that works best for your schedule.